Hello and welcome to my quarantine kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make a cup of chai. So these are the ingredients to a perfect cup of chai. Firstly, we have star anise seed. You can use 2. I've got about 4 elachi cloves which I have crushed so that the flavor comes through. We have 2 cinnamon stick, some clove and 2 5-rose tea bags. These ingredients can be found in the mixed Breyani spice in the spice aisle in any shop. So in my pot I have 2 cups of water which I brought to the boil. To that I'm going to add the spice and the 2 tea bags. And we're going to bring this mixture to a boil, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes what it looks like. Now the mixture has been boiling for about 5 minutes. To that I'm going to add some hot milk. I've made the milk hot in the microwave. I'm going to let that heat up a bit. And once it's ready, I'm going to use a strainer to strain out all the spice, the whole spice, and then the tea is ready to be served. And here is your perfect cup of masala chai for a cold winter's afternoon. Don't forget to add your sugar. Enjoy.